Do you know that in Nigeria today, the government sees an Igbo boy holding a Biafra flag as more dangerous than a Fulani herdsman carrying two AK-47 rifles, even when he is standing on the dead bodies of innocent women and children? Do you know that thousands of Igbo young men and women are languishing in prison because they were arrested and tagged as IPOB members? I have read accounts of how many of our boys are living clandestinely because they were branded as IPOB members and declared wanted. Many of them have had their accounts frozen and they cannot walk around as free citizens anymore because they support Nnamdi Kanu. Thousands of young Igbo men have gone to prison because of the IPOB struggle, and more are still being targeted. Wait, let me show you something. Look at this poor girl. Her name is Onyeka Ozioma Elizabeth. Information reaching us is that she has been locked up on account of promoting IPOB. For months, this lady has been in prison because she is allegedly a member of IPOB. Chineke na me arere. Arere no jiku. What wrong did Nnamdi Kanu do? Because Nnamdi Kanu stood up for the Igbo people. He spoke out against the injustice we face. He spoke about the killings allegedly carried out by Fulani herdsmen in Igbo communities. Then he had committed the abominable. Yes, crucify him for 1 year. Even our fellow Igbo kinsmen are supporting the persecution of Onyendu. Do you remember Operation Python Dance in 2017/2019? The army reportedly sent more than 2,000 soldiers to arrest just one man, Nnamdi Kanu. But when it comes to real killers and real terrorists, where is the oppression? Where is the army? Where is the same energy? Why is there no Python dance for the bandit destroying the Northwest? Why is there no crocodile smile for the terrorists killing Christians in the Middle Belt? Without Nnamdi Kanu, what is happening in Kwara and the North would also be happening in the Southeast today. I am very sure of that. Remember when the ESN entered our forest and farmlands? Mieti Allah withdrew immediately. That was when they allegedly planned how to arrest him. And after he was taken away, our region descended into chaos. Nnamdi Kanu is the man who warned Nigeria and even the world about genocide, killings, and what he described as an Islamization agenda. That is why the Nigerian government hated him and vowed to destroy that man. While he was on bail, the government invaded his home in Afaruku without any provocation. They reportedly killed 38 people and took away 13 dead bodies. His father and mother later died. The trauma and heartbreak. After that, they allegedly kidnapped him from Kenya and brought him back to Nigeria illegally. 90% of people from the Southeast do not see Nnamdi Kanu as a criminal. We must organize ourselves and make sure his case is not buried. We will continue speaking up until justice is done. Look at how his persecution happened. Under a Yoruba president, under a Yoruba judge, under Yoruba prosecutors. Yariba. Kai. Yariba. Continue keeping up the energy. One of the Yoruba prosecutors even said that Nnamdi Kanu should be sentenced to death. They lied against him. They tried to pin the NSAS protest on him. They used him as a scapegoat. But it will not work forever. I wish they would double the efforts they put into silencing voices in Igbo and put the same effort into securing the future of Nigeria. So long as this banditry and killings by northern bandits continue to fester, Nigeria will never know peace. Ndi Igbo are not asking for too much. Nnamdi Kanu must be released. Release him, for he is important to us. Chetakwa no jiwata nala jiwya yagazienu. See, if you're a woman and you don't have money, like you don't have any money, you don't have anything to fall back to, come and register for my class. If you have money, if you have small money, come and pay for my private class. Come and have one-on-one session with me. Let me teach you how to make money. Real money. Join my AI class. It's coming on the 23rd of this month, August 23rd. Okay? Then, if you can afford the private class, which is 300,000, pay for it and come and attend my class so that you go home and have testimony. I will change your financial status. Anyways, hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry. Our AI content creation class, our cohort 3, is starting on the 23rd of August. Okay, 23rd of August. So it's a 3 days intensive, very intensive. After undergoing my course, our AI class, you will be refurbished. Yes, class at Igbo Global. Register. The link is in the comment section. Or get copy a number on buy you na Facebook or 0703711745. See you there. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.